How to add Discord voice chat to Streamlabs OBS. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Discord and then, of course, your Streamlabs. Once you do that, the next thing that we need to do on the Discord is to go into your server. And then once you're now here, just go into one of your voice channels that you want to use. So let's say, for example, we want to use this. After that, what we are going to do is to click on the user settings, which is right here. And then in this part on the input device and output device, we're going to, of course, use the input device that we are currently using. So just click on show more and then just choose the input device that you want to use. So I'm going to leave it on default, Windows default. Same goes for the output device. So if you want to change it, it's up to you. So once you do that, once you're now done with this, just scroll down and then you will see the input mode, which is right here. We're going to change that to push to talk. After that, just record your keybind right there to activate your push to talk. So let's say, for example, we're going to use the letter V. So we're going to do that. So every time you are speaking, you can just, of course, press the letter V on your keyboard. And then, of course, your mic will now automatically turn on. If you unpress it, your mic will turn off. Once you do that, once you have now set up the input and output device from your Discord, we're now going to head on the Streamlabs, which is right here. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to go onto the settings. So once you are now on the settings, go here on the audio. And then in this part, you will see this desktop audio device 1. So what we're going to do right here is to change this into default. And then for the desktop audio device 2, we're going to change that on what we also used, which is the Realtek. So we're going to go back right here, and then we're going to click on Realtek right there. After that, just click on close. And then in this part, if you go here on the bottom right corner of the screen, you will see this mixer. So now we have the desktop audio, and then we now also have the Realtek audio, which is right here. So since the Realtek audio is the one that we have used from Discord, so this is going to be the voice chat of the Discord. So if you see it right here, this is where it is located. So let's say, for example, that you are in a call and then, of course, you want to mute your desktop audio. You can just click that. And then let's say, for example, you want to leave the Realtek audio, which is the voice chat open. You can, of course, unmute this one right here. But if you want to do it vice versa, all you have to do is to mute this one. And then you can click the desktop audio so that the audiences can hear your desktop audio but not your voice chat. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to add a Discord voice chat to Streamlabs OBS.